welcome to Ryzen Warriors. Today I have this package arrived at my house. So this is Redmi 4. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So firstly, as usual, Amazon has some pretty tight packaging, but this time they didn't involve any foam or something. That's a really bad part. Okay, this is the bill. So I got this for 7,000. So this is the phone itself. Redmi, India's #1 phone, Redmi 4. It's a Redmi 4, and it's the black version. It's 2GB RAM and 16GB ROM version. So basically here are specs. Dual SIM, I think both are LTE. Yes, both SIM are LTE, and it's got a Qualcomm 435 octa-core processor. It's a Snapdragon version. The Snapdragon versions are battery efficient, so it's a very good deal. And it's got a 5-inch display, HD display, and it's got a 5MP camera, and got front 5MP camera, and back it's 13MP, and it's got a fingerprint sensor. Also it has 4000 mAh lithium ion battery. Okay, so I think it's MIUI 9. Let's have a look at it. Firstly, let's open the box. Okay, the packaging is pretty tight. Okay, this is a phone. So let's look at it afterwards. First we'll look at what we've got in the box. Firstly, this is some warranty card and instruction manual, blah blah. We don't need this. The box says Redmi 4. Okay, so what's in it? It says you have 3 buttons and blah blah, the small instruction manual. We don't need this. This is the SIM ejector tool. This is the USB type. It's normal. It's type 2, I think. Type B. It's a type B. And this is the power brick. It is okay, I think it's a 2 ampere power supply. It's a 2 ampere power supply, so pretty good. So let's keep it aside. So this is the phone itself. It's kind of sturdy. It feels all metal, but it's, I think, all plastic. Look, finish, it's all plastic, but it feels on the hand like it's a kind of metal. Okay, so here we got the fingerprint sensor. Here is the camera, 13MP camera with it's the dual flash version, and it's the 5MP camera. It has that sensor for light and everything. So these are the 3 buttons available here, on-screen buttons. Sorry, off-screen buttons. We also have on-screen button MUI. So here are the volume rockers. Here is a on-off switch, and SIM injection tool is SIM is here. Okay, so we've got 2 speakers. We'll see that it has got 2 speakers, or one is a microphone or speaker on itself. So whereas we have got microphone, we have got a microphone here, and a headphone jack here. It's quite good to have a headphone jack nowadays. And this is the IR blaster for controlling all the devices like TV and AC and all. So let's open this. Okay, so let's open this also. So let's boot the device. You can see the rounded corners. It's really good design by Xiaomi, and it feels very sturdy, easy to handle. So let's do the first boot. So it's booting. It will take some time. So I've already told about the specs, and the battery life, I think, is really good. 4000 mAh battery with the fast charge version. It has a fast charge in it. And so let me set up the device, then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so the device is ready, it's all set up. So I noticed that it has got a hybrid SIM tray. So it's, I think, the face down. So here is the micro SIM, and here is his nano SIM. You can insert a nano SIM or an SD card right here. So it's a really good thing that they have included. So okay, so this is the device itself. So if you go into settings, let's look at the version it's coming with. It's coming in 6.0.1 and MIUI 8.2. So I think there would be, yes, I've got an update. It's MIUI 9. Yep, it's that itself. And so what else? And let me show you its camera. Okay, so I'll be doing an in-depth video of the camera itself. So it's got here exposure, to control the exposure, and the shutter speed is quite good. And I'll be showing you the photos I've captured in this. This is kind of blurry. It actually doesn't have the optical image stabilization. Although what can you expect from a 7,000 rupee phone? So overall experience, it's great, and the screen is also great. If you look from the sides, it's I think it's visible, not that much, but it's got a Gorilla Glass 3 in it. And so this is the Redmi 4A. So thank you guys, share, like and subscribe.